This feature is pretty cool because look. Hello, hello, hello. Before we do a sound test of the keyboard, there's a quick ad I need to show you guys of our Discord server. Quick side note, we now have a Discord server where we're going to be using all kinds of text channels and voice chats to decide like what we're going to do for new videos, Minecraft, SMP, whatever, and there's roles, whatnot. The link will be in the description, but here's another couple seconds of what it'll look like. We have like all of our roles: members, junior mods, subscribers, bots, and then egg, that's just a meme role. And then down there we have a couple more roles like Fortnite, Valorant, and Minecraft. And then the strike roles, those are just in case you're breaking any of the rules. Don't worry, most of you won't, but if you do, if you get 3 strikes, then you're out and you're banned from the server. Yeah. While we look at the rest of the keyboard, let's just talk about some of the pros and cons of the keyboard. So some pros are that the RGB software is really nice, and it comes with USB-C, so it has a lot of variability in what you want to do with it. You can swap the cable out for like a coiled cable if you want. It is hot swap, but the problem with the hot swap is that it's only optical switches, and that means that you can only get Gateron optical blues, browns, blacks. I think there's a few other types of optical switches, but those are like the top 3. Maybe reds too, but in the box you get a Gateron optical blue switch and 1 extra black switch, or whatever switch that you bought, and you get a switch puller and a keycap puller. On my keyboard, the escape key is actually not from this keyboard, it's from an Apex Pro. I just got it from my friend because he replaced his escape keyboard or keycap with a resin keycap. But as you can see there, the Rgb shines through pretty nice actually, and it's fully customizable. So yeah, the downside is that if you ever wanted to get something like NK Creams or one of those high-end switches, you would have to get a new PCB and plate so that you can actually use those switches inside this keyboard. The stabilizers do come pre-lubed, so you don't have any rattling or anything like that. And the key caps, I think, are PBT, so they're all really high quality. In the next scene, you're going to see me pull up the software for the keyboard, and let me pull it up here. In the software, you can set up RGB profiles or key profiles. Here you can customize RGB profiles, and then here you can set up macros for all the different buttons. You can do whatever you want with that. And that's basically about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification.